here I'm use a 4mm blue beads. Okay, put these beads go through the wire at the middle here. If you make the ring, you need to get this ring stick. Yeah, if anyone wanted to get this ring size stick, you can type 8. Yeah, the price is $8, and I mark the size for you already, so you can get it the ring size stick here, and it's very good for making the wire wrapper ring. If you have a metal one at your home, you will find the metal one is too heavy, and the groove on the metal one, it will hurt the copper wire, and it's not so much easy to take away from the ring size stick. But wood one is the perfect way. I have used it several years, and I know it's very suited for the wire wrapper ring. Okay, here the ring I will going to make it in about a size 9, because my finger size is bigger. That's why I wrap it. I always make it the size bigger. Yes, so here let's go fold it. Hello, Neat King, happy to see you. This one is the most easy ring. Fold it here like this. Here this way. Tight. Yeah, order the metal one online. Metal one for wire wrapper ring is not so much easy to wrap. So here then you can see the piece. You use your 2 finger. Tight. The wood ring size is $8. If anyone want it, you can type 8. Yeah, so twist and tight here. Then I take here. It's the shape here, the ring here. Then going to start to wrap the side of the band. Your finger tight this beads flower, and here not let the top of the wire go through. You just going to fold it and pull the wire inside. This way can help tight the part here. Tight. Then we cut the wire here. This one. Yeah. Then this one also the same. Not let the top of the wire go through. You are going to tight the beads here and fold the wire here. So always this way to tight the band. Here, this way more easy to wrap the band. Here. It's a size 10. Will you be showing any new arrival? We already, you mean the materials? Materials, yes, we have some new arrival materials. Yeah, a little, not too many. Yeah, a little new arrival I will show here. So is the turquoise beads with the rose gold color. Here is the turquoise beads with the gold color. So it's to finish. And if you never try the wire wrapper, you can try. Actually, it's not easy to